Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some of the interesting website where you can explore n number of ideas. This is called startupmeets.in. Here you can do whatever you want. This is a website which creates a futuristic virtual city for the startups and educators worldwide. Anyone can easily join this website. What is this website? Basically, let us see. Basically, Startups Meet is an incredible and futuristic community where you can connect with your fellow entrepreneurs, founders of the popular organizations, marketers, students, anyone basically. It is a community where anyone can easily join and anyone can increase their networking. There are lot many things like related to jobs, campus placements, internships. Everything is available in this website. And also, you can explore world-changing articles or posts. You can get answer to the burning questions. And it's also a new kind of the inspiration from budding startup owners. And you can also promote and market your products. Whatever your product you are selling, you can promote here in this community. There are many people will visit to see the product which you are promoting, and there is a chance to buy your product. Convert the chance to buy conversion is happening. And the creator of these startups meetings is Srinidhi Ranganathan, who is the CEO of First Look Digital Marketing Solutions. The link I will share in the description, guys. You can easily join from that link. Thank you.